After Revit Generative Design has completed a study, you can explore the design alternatives or outcomes to find a solution that best meets your needs. If you close the Explore Outcomes dialog after creating a study, open it from Revit by clicking Manage, Explore Outcomes. The left pane lists existing studies. Select a study from the list. Its outcomes display in the center pane. Each thumbnail is a live 3D view, so there's a limit to the number of outcomes that can be displayed at one time. Use the controls to view the outcomes as a list, to sort them, or to display additional pages of outcomes. Select an outcome and make sure the Details and Charts options are turned on. The outcome details appear in the right pane. The image is a 3D view you can manipulate. The outputs indicate resulting values for this outcome, and the inputs show the values used to generate it. Click the arrows to see details of other outcomes. As you move from one outcome to the next, notice that the chart changes. For each outcome, the parallel coordinates chart highlights its input and output values. You can also use the chart to filter outcomes. Click and drag over one or more of the columns to see outcomes that meet the criteria. Click Clear Filters to display all outcomes. To review and analyze outcomes another way, change the chart to a scatter plot. Use the options to change the criteria used for the X and Y axis, and to format the outcome values. Click a plot on the chart to select that outcome and see its details. After reviewing this set of outcomes, you may want to iterate the study. To do so, click Create Study and use different settings to further explore design alternatives. You can create any number of studies until you decide on the best solution. When you have decided on a particular outcome that you want to integrate into the model, select it and click Create Revit Elements. The design is integrated into the model, adding and modifying elements as needed. Use Generative Design for Revit to quickly generate and explore solutions to your design challenges.